What's up, everybody? Baron Monster coming at you with an action figure review. Today from Hasbro, the Power Rangers Lightning Collection. Looking at the Mighty Morphin Power Rangers Tenga Warrior. These are one of the latest Army series of figures put out for the Lightning Collection. So let's jump in and take a look. So as you can see, these do come in standard Lightning Collection packaging. Inside the package, you of course get the figure itself, and as with all Lightning Collection, you get this cool lightning effect or energy effect. Cool thing with these, there's actually a lot inside this package. So you're going to get several accessories with it. You get this egg, which is of course what the Tenga Warriors hatch from before they're born. So every Tenga Warrior you get, you're going to get one of these eggs. So you can have, hatched ones, unhatched ones. You're going to get the figure itself. Pop that out here. Now these are actually very hefty figures compared to the other Lightning collections. Very thick. Much thicker and heavier than any of the other Lightning collection thus far, aside from the more deluxe. Posability is basically the same. Like, you have the same basic layout as far as posability. You have the ab crunch of this rocker here. Now, it's not a double jointed elbow, it's a single, but it's a much thicker arm, so it's kind of a give or take. You have the articulated beak here as well, so you can have a little bit of facial variety out of your Tenga Warriors. Shoulder joints or butterfly joints here in the shoulders, metallic-y kind of paint job. Now you do get the double jointed knees here, so that's really good. Really thick joints on these. I can't get over the overall thickness of it. Like, for the regular retail price on this figure, how big of a figure it is, you would expect it to be more like a deluxe. If you've gotten the deluxe figures like the Pumpkin Wrapper or King Sphinx, they are much thicker. These are very similar to those. So they do have these wing attachments. You get multiple attachments for different size wings, so you can, if I can get them in the right one here, you can attach them, have a longer wing, shorter wing, whatever. So you can, with this being an army builder type of figure, that's actually a great thing, because you can have a varying amount of looks with your Tenga Warrior, and not have them all look exactly the same, which I think is a really cool big plus for an army builder type figure. Very similar to that Hydra 2-pack that came with the different heads and all that for Marvel Legends. It's very similar to that, having these different accessory options. But the figures look absolutely great. Just as the scale you can see with the regular Lightning Collection Power Ranger. Scale wise, they're pretty beefy, so you're getting a pretty good figure for still at that regular price point of regular retail for these. I absolutely love them. These came in the third season of Power Rangers as designed like the replacement for the Putty Patrollers, which was another army builder that they've done in the Lightning Collection as well. I think they're great. I loved them from the original Power Rangers movie, the TV show, and really these could be either one. So if Ivan Ooze ever comes out in the Lightning Collection, we have Tenga Warriors to go with him, so that's awesome. This is with that egg that he came with. Like I said, MSRP regular retail should be able to find them for $19.99, since they're a couple ways behind, but they may find them at that new price of $22.99 depending on what store you're going to. Can't complain about this at all. This figure, I think, is a great value. If you can find it for $20, these are great figures. I'd give it a solid 9 out of 10. I think they're a great army builder. You get a lot of bang for the buck as far as what's included with the figure itself, with the different wing attachments and stuff like that. The posability is great. Articulation's amazing with this line. This is probably my favorite line Hasbro is doing right now. I think they're absolutely amazing. Highly recommend picking them up. I've picked up 6, so I have one for each Ranger, essentially. I think they're great. We'll maybe grab 1 or 2 more if I find them out on retail shelves. Highly recommend picking it up. Well, guys, definitely thank you for watching the review. Hopefully this helps, makes you like the purchase a little bit better. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you guys next time.